If you want to remove your public Google Maps contribution profile, it's important to understand how Google structures this data. Your Maps profile is connected to your Google account, and it includes your reviews, photos, edits, and other contributions made to places on the map. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and make sure you are signed in. Click your Menu tab in the top left corner, then select your contributions. This section shows all your public activity on Google Maps. Inside the Contributions page, go to the Profile tab. Here you can view your public-facing contribution profile, including your local guides level if you are part of the program. However, Google Maps does not provide a single button to completely delete your public contribution profile. Instead, your profile is removed indirectly by deleting your contributions or removing your Google account activity. To do this, open your Google account settings in a new tab and go to Data and Privacy. This is where your Maps activity is managed at the account level. Scroll to the section that manages your activity history and contributions. From here, you can delete individual reviews, photos, edits, and other contributions one by one if you want to manually remove your presence. If you want a more complete removal, you can use Google's activity deletion tools to erase Maps-related history. This includes searches and location-related activity tied to your account. In some cases, you may also need to remove your local guide's participation separately by leaving the program if you are enrolled, which will remove your badge and points from public view over time. It's important to note that Google does not instantly erase all contribution data in one step. Some information may remain visible for a short period until deletion is fully processed across the system. Once your contributions are removed, your public profile will no longer display activities such as reviews, photos, or edits. And that's how you delete or remove your public Maps contribution profile in Google Maps. Access your contributions, delete your activity through your Google account, and remove local guides participation if needed.